Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, O believers, wide not your charities by boasting of your favors, conferred and enduring, like him who has spent his wealth for showing to people and believes not in Allah and the last day. Then the example of him is like that of a smooth rock on which there is dust of earth. Now a heavy rain fell upon it, leaving it a bare stone. They shall have no control on anything of what they have earned, and Allah guides not the infidels. Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 264. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, Salda, which has nothing on it. Ikrimah said, Wabil means heavy rain and Thal means wetness. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says to speak kind word and to forgive is better than that charity followed by injury. And Allah is above want. Clement, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 263. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, Allah destroys usury and increases charity. And Allah loves not any ungrateful big sinner. No doubt, those who accepted faith and did good deeds and established prayer and paid zakat, their reward is with their Lord, and there is neither any fear nor any grief to them. Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 276-277. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Whoever gives alms equal to the size of a date from his lawful earnings, and Allah does not approve charity but out of lawful earnings, Allah takes it in his right hand. Then he nurses it for you as any one of you nurses his calf till that virtue reaches up to the size of a mountain. Suleiman corroborated him from Ibn Dinar and Warqa Ibn Dinar, Sayyid bin Yasar. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reported it from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Muslim bin Abu Maryam and Zayd bin Aslam and Suhail reported it from Abu Saleh, and he from Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu, and he from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1410.